Hey guys, so I'm back in the kitchen with Chef Nicole. I'm Kristen, Wellness Account Manager at Uliance. And one thing our clients love is a healthy cooking demo. Chef, what are we doing today?
Okay, so bowls are all the rage. Everybody's putting everything in a bowl right now, right? Mexican, Asian, you name it, it's all going into a bowl. So we thought we'd hop on the bandwagon and do a healthy Mexican bowl today. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make our vinaigrette,
Okay.
which is gonna be a cilantro lime vinaigrette. Super simple, super easy. Our ingredients are Dijon, honey, a little red wine vinegar, a little cilantro,
Okay.
and a little lime juice. Start with our honey. And you want about the same amount of honey and Dijon. And the Dijon adds a little bit of flavor, but it also helps the emulsification stay together. And then we're gonna add a little bit of lime juice. Okay, and now we're gonna add our olive oil. Little tip about olive oil. It doesn't matter what brand you buy, but I buy one for cooking and one for things like vinaigrettes, finishing things, drizzling over the top of rice or risotto, things like that. I want to have you taste the different olive oil, right?
Okay.
I want you to taste the cooking olive oil,
Okay.
okay?
Mm-hmm.
Kind of roll it around your tongue there. I'll try not to give you that much for this one.
You can totally tell a difference between those
Isn't
two.
that crazy?
Yes.
That this one has more flavor,
Yes,
right?
it does.
And I'm gonna have you drizzle the
Okay.
olive oil in slowly while I whisk. And all that does is it brings in the oil without overwhelming everything so that you can emulsify it.
Yeah, but this way I figure you're burning calories because you're moving that arm around, maybe building some muscle.
Totally. And then we'll taste it real quick to see how it is, because like I said, it's gonna need something. We've just gotta figure out what it is.
Okay.
So go ahead and give it a little taste.
That's really good.
Isn't that good? I like it kind of acidic like
Yeah.
that. I think you could
Delicious.
use another pinch of salt. Okay, let's give it a taste.
Okay. That's delicious.
Isn't that good?
Yes, I can't believe we just made that.
Next step is we're gonna shred up our chicken. It just came out, so what I did is I poached it in some chicken stock with garlic and onion. So basically we're just gonna pull it apart.
Okay. Could I get a rotisserie chicken?
Absolutely.
And kind of do the same thing with that?
Yep, you can totally do that. And it doesn't matter how big these are.
Okay.
I like them to be a little more bite-sized. Have you taste a little bit of it. There's no salt and pepper or anything. It just was cooked in stock with garlic
Okay.
and onion.
That's great.
And it's nice and tender, right?
Yep.
We're gonna reserve some of it for our bowl, but we want the chicken to have nice flavor. We've cooked some quinoa,
Okay.
and I cooked that in chicken stock too. Now we're gonna make our pico de gallo. It's gonna be a roasted corn and black bean pico de gallo. So what I did is I took the corn, put it over the burner, and just got a little bit of char on it, and then I finished it in the oven. And now we're gonna take our knife in the bowl and just cut down. All ready to go. Then we're gonna add our chopped tomatoes.
Okay.
We're gonna add our red onion. Then I put some green peppers in there just for some color. And then we're gonna add a few jalapenos. You can always add more. A little pinch of salt, a little pinch of pepper, a little squeeze of lime juice. Now, give it just a little stir. So what do you think of that?
That was so good.
Isn't that good?
Yes, really fresh.
Yeah, and you don't feel guilty eating it.
Absolutely not.
And you could, like you said, put it on
a baked potato,
Yep.
throw it into a salad with
over
this
some
leftover
greens.
chicken.
Yep, exactly.
Love it.
We've got all of our components made. We just got to cut up some avocado, and then
Okay.
we can put our bowl together.
A
Look at
perfect
that.
avocado.
That is gorgeous. What I like to do is just kind of slice it. You just got to be careful not to go too deep. And since it's going in a bowl, I'm cutting it into cubes.
Makes
And
sense.
then you just give it a little,
Look at that.
ta-da, all cut up and ready to go. Is I like to put the thing that's gonna absorb all the moisture in the bottom. So we'll do a scoop of this. This is our quinoa. I like to get the different colored one just because it's more interesting.
Yeah.
But we'll put a little bit of that in the bottom of the bowl. Why don't you grab that chicken?
Okay.
We'll put a little bit of the chicken in there. Get a little scoop of that, okay? Put that in there. Some radishes. Some of this good pico de gallo in there. And then we finish with a little bit of our feta cheese. a little bit of our avocado, kind of right on top. And then we finish it with our dressing. And that's our bowl.
I think you can take this too in a bunch of different directions as far as the next day leftovers.
Oh, yes, you can throw it into a portable wrap the next day.
Oh, perfect.
Just like that.
So for more information on Uliance and our cooking demos, you can go to our website at uliance.com, or you can follow us on social media. Thanks, have a great day.
Take care, guys.